हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
श्रीशुक उवाच गोपानन्दादय श्रुत्वा द्रुमयोपततोरवं तत्रा जग्मुकुरुश्रेष्ठ निर्घातभयशङ्किताः भूम्यां निपतितौ तत्र ददृशुर्यमलार्जुनौ बभ्रुमुस्तदविज्ञाय लक्ष्यं पतनकारणम् उलूकलं विकर्षन्तं दाम्ना बद्धं च बालकं कस्येदं कुत आश्चर्यम् उत्पात इति कातराः बाला ऊचूरनेनेति तिर्यग्गतमुलूकलम् विकर्षता मध्यगेन पुरुषावप्यचक्ष्महि न ते तदुक्तं जगृहु न घटेतेति तस्य तत् बालस्योत्पाटनं तर्वो केचित् सन्दिग्धचेतसः उलूखलं विकर्षन्तं दाम्ना बद्धं स्वमात्मजं विलोक्य नन्दप्रहसद् वदनो विमुमोचः गोपीभिस्तोपितोन् अनृत्यद् भगवान् बालवत् क्वचित् उद्गायति क्वचिन्मुग्धस्तद्वशो दारुयन्त्रवत् बिभर्ति क्वचिदाज्ञप्तः पीठकोन्मानपादुकम् बाहुक्षेपं च कुरुते स्वानां च प्रीतिमावहन् दर्शयन्स्तद्विदां लोक आत्मनो भृत्यवश्यताम् रजस्यो वाह वैहर्षम् भगवान् बालचेष्टितैः क्रीणीहि भो फलनीति श्रुत्वा सत्वरमच्युतः फलार्ति धान्यमादाय ययौ सर्वफलप्रदः फलविक्रयिणी तस्य च्युतधान्यं करद्वयं फलैरपूरयद्रत्नैः फलभाण्डमपूरि च
Super. Falaihi apurayat ratnaihi falabhandam apuricha. Krishna Leelas are like that. The more you read Bhagavatam, the more you read Dashmaskandam, the more you hear Krishna Leela, your basket, the basket of your life gets overflowing with riches. Falaihi apurayat ratnaihi falabhandam apuricha. All the Gopas, including Nanda, rushed when they heard that huge noise of this tree falling. Nirghata bhaya shankita, because Vasudeva has warned them. There are some big dangers. Please go and make sure that you protect the child. So they rushed. And these are Arjuna Vrikshas. They are huge trees. And both the trees have fallen to the ground. Dadarshuhu Yamala Arjuna. So they were wondering, how did these two huge trees fall? Even though they can see the ulukhala, they can see the mortar, and they can see this child with the rope tied around its stomach. Damna Baddam Chabalakam. Ascharya. How did these two trees fall? And luckily it didn't fall on the child. That is what they are thinking. There are some other boys, always boys around this boy. So there are some other boys who have seen this full Leela. So they are saying, Bala Uchuhu, Bala Uchuhu. The boys are saying, Aneneti, this boy, this child, pulled the stone mortar and walked between and crawled between those two trees, and the mortar got stuck and he pulled and these two big trees burst. But the adults did not believe. Balasya utpatanam tarvoho na te taduktam. Not me, I don't know. Maybe these children, it must have happened just at the same time or something. So some adults felt that it may not be possible. Some of the adults, they remembered the prior Leelas. Putana Moksham. Shakatasura Bhanjanam, Trinavartha Moksham, all those they remembered, and they are like, maybe ho bhi sakta hai. It is possible that what these children are saying is true. But now the child, when something happens, we have to be very careful. Nothing has happened to the child, but the child should not be afraid or upset. So if something happens, the adult should smile and laugh. Then the child will also smile back. So Nanda wants to make sure that this Krishna is comfortable. So he is saying, Vilokya Nanda Prahasat Vadano. He untied the rope, freed this child, lifted him, and smiled. So the child also smiled back. Even though this particular God, this child, is the God of all gods, Krishnasthu Bhagavan Swayam. So here it's saying, Krishna Bhagavan Balavati. This form is just to show us so that we can have Vatsalya Bhakti. Vatsalyam is the first affection, no? First affection that the child experiences. Father's Vatsalyam is called Pitru Vatsalyam. Mother's Vatsalyam is called Matru Vatsalyam. All of us, that is the first Vatsalyam we experience. The reverse, what the child shows towards the parents is also Vatsalyam only, but we call it Pitru Bhakti, Matru Bhakti. It's all affection, same category of affection. This particular child, to give the blessing of Vatsalyam, all these leelais, and all the gopis consider him to be their own child. All the gopas consider him to be their own son. Gopi bihi sthobito anrutyat. Because he's walking, no? Agrishta Janubhi. He's not using his knees anymore. He's walking. It's very beautiful. His walking itself is like dancing. So the gopis are telling him, Krishna, please dance for some time. We will give you this murk. Please, Krishna, dance for some time. We will give you this dahi. Krishna, dance for some time. We will give you this makhan. They are saying all this. And he is happily dancing for them. Because he wants to get not their murk or dahi or makhan. He's actually taking their affection and giving them the blessings of that darshana. Udgayati. Somebody makes him sing. He is like a puppet in their hands. Daru yantravat. Shukabrahman is shocked. Just like he was surprised earlier, no? He said, Nand, there is no inside, there is no outside for this God. Nachantar na bahiryasya. How did this lady tie him to this ulukala? Similarly, he is saying, Bhagavan Daryantravati. Sometimes they say, oh, please bring that step stool. So he will bring that step stool so that this gopi can reach a vessel that is kept on the higher shelf. Sometimes his father will be going out. He will go, he will grab his father's paduka and bring it for Nanda Baba to wear. Pitikonmada padukam. All these leelas he is doing to show Bhritya Vashyatam Atmano Loka Tadvidam Darshayanne. Tadvidam. That level of Bhritya Vashyatam. Bhritya means devotee. Vashya means totally bound to whatever the devotee wants. This God is ready to do. That is showing. One old woman has come. Krini hibho falaniti. Fruits. Fruit seller. There is something about old women and fruits. You know, previous avataram also, some old woman brought some, gave him some nice fruits. So that he is remembering. Oh, Some old lady has come with fruits. But this old lady is doing barter system for fruits. The children have to bring something. They have to bring rice. They have to bring பருப்புக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவா ஹிந்தியில? Dal. Englishல? Lentils. Something they have to bring. So the children will, hold their two hands like that, make a cup. The mothers will pour a lot of rice or lentils on that, and the children have to bring it carefully to this old lady. She will take that. In return, she will give them sweet fruits. Falarti. So this particular Achyuta, his name is Achyuta. What does Achyuta mean? Achyuta means once he touches you, once he holds you, he's never going to let go. Nothing slips from his grasp. That is what Achyuta means. Satwaram Achyuta. Nothing will slip, okay? His mother has put some dhanyam, some rice in his hands. Half the rice is falling down through the holes in his fingers. He started walking because he has to go to this old lady selling fruit. More of the rice is falling because he is running. He finally came to that old lady, and whatever remaining, thoda sa bachata, some small portion of rice, he put it in her basket. But this old lady, she is doing this phala vikraya, just because she wants to get darshanam of this child walking. She is so happy. She put lot of fruits, more than he can carry. He is super happy. She has not seen how much rice he has put in her basket. This child has turned and he is going. She is looking at the way he is walking away from her. Pinnalagupat mohichirga. Suddenly she looked into her basket. The basket is full of precious stones. Ratnaihi falabhandam apuri. He has filled the basket with precious stones, gold coins, silver, all those things. Premi Anna took this story to its logical conclusion. In Bhagavatam, it stays here. That's it. Krishna has blessed this old lady with one basket full of treasures. So few weeks passed by, Premi Anna said, and this lady came again. Again, she is selling fruits. So Krishna was thinking, Are, I made sure that she has more than enough wealth that she will need for her entire lifetime. Maybe some relatives fooled her and took it, or maybe some thieves have stolen. What is this? Why is she still selling? So he came to her. Again, she's again giving him fruits. But this time she said, Krishna, please wait. What she has done, she has taken all those precious stones, all those gold, because every day she has been seeing this child, no? So she has measured him from head to toe, just using her eyes. With that measurement, she has gone to the best jewelers, and they have taken all those precious stones, all that gold coins, and made amazing ornaments for this child, which will fit him from head to toe. Fully she put all those ornaments on this child and sent him inside. Yashoda is thinking, Are, who is this who has put so much gold ornaments, so many divine ornaments on my child? She came out. This old lady is there. Yashoda looked at her and said, He gave you this so that you will lead a comfortable life. You will lead a happy life. You will be rich. So this old lady said, What is the richness? What is wealth? Seeing your child is wealth for me. I am so happy. I saw all those. But for me, the wealth is not the gold or the precious stones. The wealth is seeing him wear all those ornaments. So Yashoda said, Thank you. I have been looking for somebody to take care of this child. He runs here and there, so naughty. I'm not able to do any work at home. So can you be here and just keep an eye on him? Live with us from now on. So this old lady then started living in Yashoda Nanda Baba's house, and her only job is Krishna Darshanam. Krishna Darshanam. That's it. क्रीणीहि भो फलानीति श्रुत्वा सत्वरमच्युतः फलार्थी धान्यमादाय यजौ सर्वफलप्रदः फलविक्रयिणी तस्य च्युतधान्यं करद्वयम् अच्युतः च्युतधान्यम् फलैः अपूरयत् रत्नैः फलभाण्डम् अपूरि च